What up? What up? What up? Trying to get the thing. Trying to get the thing going. Yo, what up, Nesto? Double O. Yo, Funded Tick strikes out. Yeah, I'm fucking out on them. Why would you even get an account there? Why? Why would you do it? Why would you do it to yourself? You do it. What? Yo, what up, Vic? What up? What up? Yo, what up, PG? Dude, I feel like this is just going to keep going. By the way, I made some gains during
Order filled. Order filled.
some gains. Took it to Gainesville. See what happens. I end up almost, well, not in pass this one yet. I ended up passing my funded futures.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, today was wild. What are my lines and settings? Dude, I have a whole video I literally just did about all my stuff. I'll literally just put it in the chat. That video literally has everything I use. Yo, what up, Cash? Yo, Josh. Dude, I literally got rid of that Apex banner. I don't understand why it still shows. I think I'm going to have to redo the banners. Market be wildin'. Dude, I waited for that dump for so fucking long. And then we finally got it. It wasn't even that big. Wasn't even that big. Yo, what up, Sean? Nah. I was waiting for it though. During lunchtime, basically when we got around here, I hit a bunch of my accounts with it. I passed this one. I'm just waiting. We'll see what happens. Just dump it. Just dump it. Bro, funded ticks is brutal. Who's buying that? My green and red lines. These are orders. This is an order and this is an order. This is the low of day. Yeah. Those are just orders. This is the 34 EMA. This is the 105. Dude, did you just watch the video I sent? I just put the video in the chat that has all the indicators I use. Should be in there. Bro, no way you watched it. You're like that guy I send the video to, and the video is like a minute and a half, and in 30 seconds you're like, LOL. And it's like, bro, I know you didn't watch it because the video. We all have that friend where you text them like, bro, you couldn't have watched the video. You'd still be watching it. I'm messing around with you, Nesto. I'm just having some fun, dude. A popular YouTuber? Bro, if you kept adding to your longs, you have no idea how to trade. Like there were bounces, but if you keep fucking buying long, bro, you have no business fucking streaming. Better call grandma for that extra money. I don't know who it is, but he better call fucking grandma, bro. Keep adding the longs. Is he not looking at the chart? Bro, who's charting for him? Ray Charles? Yo, what is Stevie Wonder at his house? Fucking looking at the thing? Being like, yo, it looks good. We're going up, guys. What the fuck is going on over there? Yo, I don't know who it is. I'll be honest with you, Arnold. I don't know who it is. But you got to take fucking losses, man. Tell him to come on the stream here and learn how to trade. Yo, yeah, man, it's going up. Fucking, what's going on over there? Jesus. Ah. Hey, man. Watch out. Now, I'm just telling you, I'm probably not trading a funded account till the end of the day. I'm just keeping it reals. Price action, although it does look like it will keep going down, it's hard to keep shorting down 1.7%. I would not trade any. I would not be adding to any funded accounts. I'd probably lock up the fundeds for the day, to be honest with you. I don't know. It could keep going down, Josh. But I'm just telling you, to me, there's not going to be like an A plus funded setup, and I'm good. I'm good on it. Hey, if it comes back, it comes back. Boom, 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 boom. You might get an end of day uh short squeeze. Check this shit out. I'm super proud about this, by the way. So, these are my funded accounts on Fidias. This account was down $1,700 earlier today, and I took it from down 1,700 to down 125, and I'm done for the day. Like, that's a massive win to me. It's plus, but that's how much in commissions I spent, over $100 in commissions. Um, but yeah, super proud of that. Brought it all the way back. Holy shit. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Let's see what we got on the daily. Without any major significant move, like news, I don't think we go lower than 23.5 if it continues down. That would be like my freaking where I think we're gonna go. You got to remember, overall, we broke this trend on the daily, and we're in theory still above it. That was only like 2 weeks ago. This is not a good candle, though. This is definitely a bearish candle. Yo, CPI coming in hot, or it's gonna save the day. This could be the get you out before candle, and then tomorrow just freaking we're back at 25,900. I'll just keep it here. There you go. All I'm saying is this. We broke this downtrend, and honestly, I don't see it really going below. You got to remember, when you hit down, what is that from the top, anyways? $24,000 is about 10% from the top. That's a pretty big fucking move. You know, like, I just don't see it going further down than maybe 22,000, 23,000. Like, I don't know. Which is far, I guess, but, you know, it's all buying opportunities.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We'll see what happens. Got to roll the dice. Yo, what up, Schulzer? Indeed, CPI could go either way. Hey, man, I appreciate you coming by. I am going to play CPI to pass Apex accounts tomorrow, though. That I can tell you. And I got a bunch of accounts that have like $100 of drawdown left. I will be smashing them. $100 of drawdown. Boom. 7 minis. 7 minis. All day, every day. Yeah. Yo, we've gone sideways for the last hour. Yo, just an hour. $600. Yo, have you seen an account number anytime soon? Maybe you guys like that. Yo, should I not show my account numbers anymore? Where you guys don't know if I'm in a trade? Should we start doing that? I just start doing this now. Actually, I'll just block this completely out. We'll just fucking, we'll take this off. How do I take that off? Isn't that the thing to do? Yeah, he shows it after it's up. Yeah. Yeah. You have no idea. I could make yo, I'm gonna make my paper account. Hold on. Let me make my account up. Let me see. Let me start accounts. Oh, I could do it right here. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. We're gonna call this one so I'll do it on NinjaTrader. Hold on. I'm going in 35,000. I'm going in 35,000 minis on my NinjaTrader account. I'm just going to show you how much I'm up or down. Dude, don't believe everything you see. I had a whole conversation about this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, it's so easy. So easy. Just show the full account number. That's all you got to do. There's nothing against showing the full account number. Just an FYI. You're allowed to. Anyone that says you can't is lying. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, man. You just got to pull it out. We're all on the same trade of 8. We're all on the same trade. All you got to do is move it. Name any firm. I'll show you how to show the full account number. It's all adjustable. Yeah, you minimized it. That's different. You could change it though, where it's not minimized. If you choose to do it, but you could definitely show it. You could show it on any one of them. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I am trying to think. Where is so cash? The year-end rally is literally the last 3 days of the trading in December and the first 2 days in January. That's what the Santa rally is. People that tell you the Santa rally is now, it's the last 3 days of December and the first 2 days of January is the Santa rally. What you're getting right now is people unloading positions for tax write-offs. They're either locking in gains or they're selling losers to write off against gains is what you're getting. So stocks that are down are kind of getting pushed down further right now. That's what you're getting right now. How do you copy broken funded? I use Replicanto. So I have Ninja Trader where I could trade on Tradeivate, and it runs through It runs through Ninja Trader, even though I'm not trading on Ninja Trader. Uh, I mean, on average, the S&P is, I think, up 1.7% in those 5 days. What happens is a lot of the stocks that people have sold off that I guess are technically good companies, but they were down on, people buy them back up at the end of the year. So, like, argument's sake, like TTD, great company. It's been crushed this year. They're probably going to sell it off a little bit more. And then you're going to watch at the end of the year pop like a bunch. You're going to see a lot of companies that are down big this year pop at the end. I mean, we're selling off. I mean, you can look, we're selling off. It's not, you know, it's not anything crazy. I mean, we're not dumping. I mean, today we're down a good amount, but, you know, at some point it's going to catch a bid. You know, you got to remember, we're not dropping because You know, there's a trade war going on. Like, you know, you had Oracle bad news. You know, this isn't like a huge event. So, you know, you're just getting fluctuations within the market. You're not getting you know, some massive fucking dump or something. How many points? I don't know, 2,500 points, you know, like 10%. Oh. Some say the Japan interest rate hike could tank the markets. Aren't they? What are they? They're at 0%, right? I mean, you got to think the markets dump, not dump, but they pull back 5-10%. You know, here, I'll give you the stat, right? Here, there's a fucking image. Where's the image? Where's the image? So 95% of the years it pulls back 5% or worse. 63% in a year you'll get 10% or worse. And then 26% of the time you're going to get 20% or worse. 10% of the time you get 30% or worse. So like 1 out of every 10 years you get 30% or worse. You know, 5% is nothing. Like we just pulled back 10% if you look at it. We're basically, what are we, like 5% from the top right now? We're about 1,500 points away from the top. It's about 5%. When we were down here, we were about 10% from the top. I just think people are getting worried real early. When not for nothing, if this pulls back, if this turns around and pushes back up, everyone's gonna be like, "Oh, that was the bottom. We're good now." Like, you know. I don't think this pullback is anything major to worry about, personally. You know what I'm saying? Yo, what up, Martin? Bro, who the fuck is Pick a Prop Firm, bro? It's some fucking websites. It's somebody. Bro, I'll put up a website. That's all it is. Is some dude that has a website in his mom's basement. Fucking acting like it's an institution or something. Yo, it's not like Moody's just downgraded them. It's fucking some dude at his freaking, it's some fucking dude at his house in his basement. Go, Ma, the meatloaf. And we're taking funded ticks off. Yo, that's what it's like. Fucking off a website. No, bro. Yo, every time that website takes somebody off,
Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
dude, it's not like a ratings agency. I'm just gonna say I've been telling you funded ticks was messed up for a while. So if they're just taking it off now, shame on them. I've been telling you funded ticks has been fucked since August. Because that was the first time I bought accounts with them in August, and I said the rules fucking sucked, and I said something weird. Dude, funded ticks has been weird since August. Cause Sean, remember we got those accounts, and I was like, bro, I'll never buy another one of these accounts again, and we were talking about it. Dude, it was just weird. From it doesn't. That has should have nothing to do with it. My funded futures came from Forex. E8 came from Forex. I know, Sean. I know. Believe me, dude. That's because you told me to buy them. I blame you. Uh, I said Tick Tick was awful. They ended up not paying their Trade of 8 bill. I am, Steve. I am. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie to you. I fucking see the deal and I'm in. Yo, at the right price, I'm a prop firm home, man. Yo, there's fucking red flags all over the place. And then everyone's shocked when they see it. Oh, I didn't see that. Yo, you know what's funny? Steve, I'm literally bringing it up right now to see if they have beat the meat. I'm literally looking at it right now to see if they have it. Yo, I'm gonna post in the general chat like, man, we need to make I love talking shit in this thing. I almost wrote "beat the meat" in their fucking thing. They would have kicked me out of the Discord. $20 is $20. Yo, ChatGPT says, "Oh, funded ticks, bro." I've been saying that they've been shit since August. So anyone telling you to buy funded ticks since August just can't read it. Read the fucking what's going on. You can tell with some of the things that they do and like the rules, like something's going on. You know, like, and if you can't see what's going on, you shouldn't be fucking telling other people, about it at all. You should just, like, if you're just now taking funded ticks and not talking shit about them, like, if right now you're like, oh, funded ticks is bad, I just told you about that now, like, you shouldn't be telling anybody about anything then. We've been talking about it. We've been talking about it since August. Yo, Timu won. Yeah, fuck that one too. Bro. Yeah, Project X. Why would you use that? It's off every morning. Do you like not being able to trade? If you like not being able to trade, then go with them. I don't know, man. Writing was on the wall for a lot of this shit. What up, Ivan? All seriousness, you can't have all, like, there's just too many firms out there. There's just too many out there. You know, they need a certain amount of people at their firm to diversify like the risk, right? And if you don't have it, you know, if one guy makes a lot of money and it starts wiping out everybody else, or a bunch of people start making money and you're not bringing it in, that's what happens, man. Honestly, I think the bottom's in today. What up, Grayson? Hey, Carl, you know what? Props to you for not taking a trade today. Seriously. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it. I like that. Big props. Dude, today started off awesome. Today started off, I was up $2,100 in 3 funded accounts right off rip. It was good. It was a good day. And then price action sucked. Are they going to pin it at 25,000? I can see that, man. We're right there. I can see that happening. I think it's going to be interesting with CPI tomorrow. If CPI is good, we might make this whole move back tomorrow. I can't even say that. Ayan Miss? Ayan Miss? Welcome to the stream. What up, Phoenix? Yo, a lot of people hitting the duck. Say what's up in the chat. Oh, man. Say what's up in the chat. We want to hear about your trades today. Are you up? Are you down? Where's the video I put in the chat earlier? Video about what? The indicators? Dude, I want to hear about your trades. So what? You fucking blew some accounts, man? You're still there. You're still hanging around. You're all good. Yeah, I don't know how there's more entries than users. What up, Mike? Rip and dip. You talking about the indicator video? I kept trying to short it with the tight stops. Dude, sometimes you're better off just going like 2 micros with a big stop. I think people got destroyed today. It was a rough day. You know what it is? If it was flipped where we kept going up, everyone would have had a good day. So I want to see some big ass freaking deals today. Bro, I don't know what I'm going to do. Yo, I got a big freaking weird problem going on right now at my house. So I have a friend from college that we were like best friends, and this kid was wild as fuck. Cool guy. He became an accountant and whatnot. Good job. And I guess he got divorced. I ran out of touch with him. And my wife's friend is single. So I went to hook them up. And I'm like, yo, I talked this guy up the whole time. I text him. He says he's interested. But now he told me that he found God. And every time he messages me, he says all this God stuff and scripture. He's definitely not. I almost want to text him back like, yo, send me an emoji if you're in a cult and you need me to get you. But I'm hooking them up. I'm hooking him up. You know, I I don't know, man. I mean, he's really like in the deep end though. Like he's I don't type scripture to people. Yeah. I'm like, dude, I'm trying to hook you up, man. Just fucking straight up be like, yo, hell yeah, I'll text her. One big and then lost it all today. Blew two evals. I would say if you're green early on, Mike, just kind of wait for a really good setup or stop. Bro, do I like Jesus? Bro, tell me someone else that drinks drinks out of his Jesus and jujitsu shaker almost every night. Let's be real. Yeah, it's true. Once you kind of hit a good amount, just put a stop for the day in there. My Jesus and jujitsu, what is it? Jujitsu and Jesus? Jesus and jujitsu? Either one. I drink out of the shaker every night. Dude, this kid was completely different. Something happened to him. I'm gonna find out. Something happened to him. I do feel bad. Sean is something. Nah, I don't think he went to prison. Bro, Chris, but some of those end of the world cults make for like great documentary watches where I'm like, wait, this guy was telling these people what and they believe this shit? I don't know what he did. I haven't talked to him in like 15 years. Well, Chris, where the fuck do you see a vampire cult, bro? I gotta ask you, because you live by me. Where's the vampire cult at? As wild as Chris is like 25 minutes from me. My boy Chris is like 20 minutes, yeah, 25 minutes from me. Bro. My brother lives right by you, too. One day I'm going to randomly run into Chris. Oh, jeez. Yo, I see your picture now, Chris, on fucking YouTube. If I see you in the street, I'll say what's up. I'll definitely say what's up, man. Do you use like Gamma or any options that? So I use options flow in general when I get alerts to just keep in the back of my mind. So I know today somebody hit AMD, NVIDIA, PLTR, and MSTR hard with call options. So I just keep that in the back of my mind. Somebody's building a position to go long. Yeah, I use Black Box. Yep. So there was 4 alpha gold alerts today on those 4 stocks. What up, AD? I don't use the let me see, I'll pull it up. Let me pull up the Gamma stuff on there and I'll see. The problem is they got, let me see. I'm scrolling through them. I know they have it in here. I just don't see it. Oh yeah, net op. Oh, Gamma exposure. Yo, I'm gonna bring it up on this screen. How you? I've never used it before. Have you used it? I'm gonna show everybody what it looks like. I'll bring it up on the screen. Just don't tell anybody. I guess I should bring up the spy, right? So I'll show you guys what it is, what it looks like. What's the fucking deal, though? I don't know how to, I'm trying to just make it bigger. I'm trying to make it bigger. Let me see if I can rub it. It'll get bigger. Anyways, this is what it looks like. You gotta zoom in. So what's the deal? It's like, you know, all these negative numbers. I actually don't even use it. So what is it? They're gonna push it up out of here? I'm gonna start using this and see what happens, just as a secondary indicator. Um, there's a way to make this bigger. Uh, but yeah, I'm gonna look to see how I can use this within futures and see what happens. Yeah, yo, hit me up on, put it in the Discord main chat. So because everyone's gonna ask about it. The problem with SPX is I don't think that they have all the SPX data. Something about SPX. What's the best deal to buy right now? What, in prop firms? What do you want, an all-in price or a low upfront with an activation fee? Depends on what you want. Low upfront with an activation fee, or all included with activation fee. The cheapest one right now is probably Apex. All in, probably Lucid. But I'll be honest with you. You know what's not bad? The 25K TPT accounts. Profit target 1500 with a 1500 drawdown. So the drawdown is the same as the profit target. And you get daily payouts. Oh, if you're a new user, yeah, probably like Lucid. Yeah, if you're a new user, a lot of them. Yeah, and then once you're over the buffer, man, it doesn't really matter. You know, it doesn't really matter that much once you're over the buffer. They're bad unless you pass them. You know what the big accounts are good for? News. Hold on, my alarm. The bigger accounts are good for news because you can pass half of it on news. But yeah, the TPT deal is, now that they're back to 40% off, is legit. Oh. I like TPT bigger accounts. Oh, yeah, I mean, that's true if you want to take advantage of that. Apex, you could have up to 20. TPT, you could have 5. But TPT offers, daily payouts. Daily payouts is definitely nice. Oh, man. Yeah, you could take all 5 live, and they're not going to kick you off the platform for making money. And you don't have to show your asshole to get a payout. Unless you guys didn't have to. Was that only me? Oh, man. How's everybody going today? Everybody having fun? Actually, you offered it. Well, Apex kicks you off if you make like a massive payday, they'll kick you off. I don't fucking run up. I'll take the minimum. Is it true the market dies? No, actually, the end of the year it runs the last couple days. Yo, it's part of the KYC. Bro, have you ever seen Half Baked when it's like, I don't know who you are, and Dave Chappelle turns around and pulls his pants down. He's like, oh, it's Black Ass. Come on in. Yo. Yo, it's Black Ass. Come on in. Say it with me. Bodegas. Yo. That shit's so funny, man. Am I buying here? I'm contemplating it. I might just play the I don't know. I mean, you got 40 minutes left. I'm gonna take some of this shit off my screen, by the way. I passed this. I think I have one more day I have to flip, and I'll have a funded account. This is always over half. Do I have anything left in this one? Oh, I have $76.
Order filled.
Bro, I'm gonna take this from 76 bucks all the way up. Dude, imagine Trump tweets something right now and it goes all the way up and I bring this all the way back. $76, dude. Bro, that'd be amazing. Oh, shit. I should save this for tomorrow.
Order filled.
Sorry, can't do it. Saving it for CPI tomorrow. CPI tomorrow. My bad. My bad. I gotta buy 17 minis. My bad. Almost forgot. So I'm shutting this down. I passed this account today. My funded futures passed. I'll have that as a funded account tomorrow. Here's my Lucid accounts. Funded accounts up 315. I'm working on these evals. I'm probably going to pound this eval tomorrow on this $400. I'm probably going to pound it on CPI.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo! What up, Maria? Yo, tomorrow I'm going to slam it. CPI. I'll stream it in the morning in the Discord. I could see that little short covering into close. I mean, I'm in. I'm in it. I kind of want to see us push out of this flag to the upside. Otherwise, I'm out. I went from in to being out if it doesn't. Come on, market. Dude, that's fucking ugly. I'm looking at something real quick. Dude, I might do something fucking wild, but what do we got? 30 minutes left in the market? Do you guys think the market's going to drop 60 points in the next? Dude, kicked in the teeth again? What happened, man? Can we get the Discord channel? Hell yeah, man. Give me a hell yeah. Hell yeah. I might sell NDX right now. Yo, here's the Discord. Just so you could. That's the Discord link. Holy shit, that's crazy. So stupid what just happened, by the way. Dude, if I want to sell one NDX, I need 300 and something $1,000 free. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. I'm not doing shit right now. I'm just waiting. I'm patiently waiting. Members, I will add you. Yo, somebody named Samson. I want to talk to Samson. Just came in the Discord. Oh, man. Let's see what happens. Yo, coach. Oh, yeah. I definitely am not hitting you up about crypto. I can tell you that right now. I will not message you one time. Just an FYI. I will not be messaging you in the Discord. Dude, this thing's just bumping around.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see what happens. I'm gonna bracket trade news, Mike. So I'll have buys and buys above, sells below. I did pretty good today, except for a few Apex accounts. I actually did really good. The fuck is that? I always make profit? No. I blew some Apex accounts today. I would say from 10. No, I was. That kind of led from Discord onto the stream in the morning. No, I blew some Apex accounts today. I blew a funded Apex account today, and I blew a bunch of evals today. I passed my funded futures. I passed. I forget what else I did. Lucid funded accounts up. Three of my Fidias accounts are up. One's up really big, 1,500 in a funded. But then one was down 1,500. I made that all back, but $125, which was awesome. I'm waiting for Fidias to send me my $2,000. They said I had to update my fucking. Right now I'm not copy trading. I'm just in this one eval. How much do I copy trade in the morning? I can copy trade anywhere between 5 to 10 accounts at once. I don't know. I had 16 prop firm payouts last month. Brutal. Dude, I didn't even fucking add it up. It was 16 payouts though. Do you know what Apex mean all in for lifetime? Basically, it's your activation fee when you pass to go from eval to funded is $65 for 25, 50K, and 100K. Hey, Cove, I have a 50K Lucid Pro account. I'm wondering if you know how much I need to take a payout. You can't go over the 40% consistency rule. I think you need to be at $2,600 to take 500 out. How can you overcome greed? I don't know. Trading is just like mechanical to me. Like, you just don't look at the P&L, just look at the chart. That's your best advice. I think you can copy trade other Project X accounts within that account, but you can't go from prop firm to prop firm. I'm waiting for that big green fuck you candle to come in. I'm waiting for the big green fuck you candle to the upside. I just feel it coming. Dude, I'm gonna hit this with
Order filled.
fucking.
Order filled.
I got rid of 2 micros to throw on a mini.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm trying to pass this thing. No, what up, La Rosa? Pass the old TPT? Look, here it is. Motherfucker. I wouldn't trade any funded accounts. Just an FYI. No fundies. I don't know. I think MOC is going to be up. There you go, La Rosa. To beat intraday trailing drawdown, man, don't let it move around on you. You got to have a tight stop and you got to trail your TPs because you can't go big TP and have it come back and then get stopped out, because the trailing. So you got to move up and trail your stops. Yo, MOC is gearing up for the fucking upside to me. This thing gets back up here, it might fucking run. They might close this at 25,000. That wouldn't shock me one bit. What up, candle dealer? Wouldn't shock me one bit if they closed it at 25,000. Yeah. They get it up here, it's going to be gone. I mean, listen, it makes sense that they pin it there. See what happens. You also have CPI. Dude, I'm going to smash all these fucking accounts tomorrow on CPI. I'm not trading Globex tonight, probably, to be honest with you, PG. I think Globex is going to be very muted. I think it's going to be a very muted session of just back and forth, back and forth. You know, I don't, unless it grinds up, it's either going to grind up or it's just going to be back and forth all night. So I'm probably out. Last night I played it in my personal account. I made 685. I ended up closing out at. CPI tomorrow. I'm going to stream it tomorrow. I might. I don't know. I might stream it on YouTube or in the Discord, but I'll definitely be on. You can't get into the Discord channel? What's it say? What's Discord telling you? Here. What? I mean, I could look into it after hours, but what is it? What is it telling you? You get a white screen? I think you're the only one getting a white screen. Yeah. I thought it was giving you an error, like, I don't know, some type of freaking error or something. But yeah, if it's a white screen, um, try a different browser maybe. Do you have too many browsers open? Sometimes if you have too many browsers, it might mess up maybe. No. Because you shouldn't have a problem. Honestly, you shouldn't have a problem. Too many P Hub tabs open? Yo, it happens, man. You gotta freaking start bookmarking them. Ah, just reinstall Discord. Oh, are you on your phone or are you on? PC desktop? Yeah, you shouldn't have a problem.
Order filled.
Yo, we're gonna do it again?
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
No! Oh, it went the wrong way. I'm one. What am I? 1 for 2? 2 for 3? Yeah, helpful. Yeah. By the way, never do that in a funded account or anything. I'm literally just having some fun on this shit price action day. We haven't really moved anywhere since the stream started. The stream started at 2 o'clock. We haven't done anything. I'm literally just having some fun, and that is it. Do not go with a funded account or anything like that. Yo, I'm going to get fucked. You know why helpful? Because it's hit so many days in a row. And I didn't play it yesterday because I was a loser and did something else. And it hit. That means I'm due for a loss on it, which means that loss is going to come today. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? We're due for a loss. And it's been hitting. And because I missed it yesterday, I'm due for my loss, and my loss is going to be today. I know it. I know it. Nah, I just stick to evals. I'm gonna play it. Like, let's be real. I just know what's gonna happen today. Today's the day. Dude, I should have just taken it short. I don't know why I didn't. I fucking take it short every day. And yesterday I had to be like, yo, I'm gonna take it long, guys. Stupid. Somebody should have smacked my fucking mouse and be like, yo, you're taking it short. Stop it. You only take it short. There I am, taking it fucking long like an idiot. I mean, this thing might start dropping early. I mean, I'd like to see it pump beforehand, though. That was the problem yesterday. It dropped before. So now it's freaking dropping. I'm like, oh man, am I gonna freaking really do this? I should have just did it. Instead, I sat there like a loser. Everyone's like, yo, I made money, guys. I made money. And I'm like, why did I do it? Why didn't I do it? I was like, they'll never know. Who will know? Nobody will know. How will they know? And then I lost. How do you sim on TradingView? What do you mean? They're prop accounts, prop firm accounts. I don't think MU's not today. I don't think MU's today. Probably Tradeify Select. It's cheaper. But I think Take Profit Trader is better than both of those for daily payouts. Because Tradeify caps you at 1,000. You can't take more than 1,000 a day. And my funded futures, you have to make at least $500 for daily payouts. Take Profit Trader is better. I wasn't going to, but apparently I might. Yeah, TPT, Take Profit Trader is probably the best for daily if you just want daily payouts. I would like to see them pump it here for the next minute or two. We need to redeem this morning's Discord garbage. I know there's just going to be a ton of people on. We'll see what the people want. We'll see. If you say yes, show up. Gotta show up. MU earnings. Apparently, everyone wants me to play MU earnings today, so I guess I will. I'm just glad Take Profit Trader's back to 40% off. What's MU? It's Micron. Seven minis? You know the rules. They're doing 40% zero activation fee. It's back. Bro, I'm thinking about getting in right now. Come on. Oh, yeah, this is the candle I wanted. Pump it. Pump it, biatch. Pump it. Pump it. Oh, man, if they could bring it up to like 33 here. Pump it. Pump it. $30 seconds. Come on. Hold it. Hold for at least 30 seconds. Dude, I'm going to try for some big gains. Oh, man. Told you. Bro, what the fuck was that outside my house? I told you. I called it that today was going to be a loser. Bro, there's some shit that just fell off my roof. I told you today was going to be a loser. Called it. You know why today was a loser? Is because yesterday I didn't play it. I played it the other way and it fucking hit big. And the loss was coming because we've won so many times. And it's the same setup as yesterday, though. Look, you're dropping into it. And that's why yesterday I played it to the upside. We've dropped into it, which you don't want to be doing. But I did it because I played the odds. And that was it. So at the very end of the day, usually you could scalp for about 5 points, Mike. What happens is orders get pulled at the end of the day and it drops. I would never do it in a funded account. I was in an eval. I think tomorrow is going to depend on CPI, David. CPI is going to tell me what I'm doing. Dude, they just ripped it. Crazy. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm like 900 points away from really starting to buy a bunch of stocks. And like 2,000 points away from really fucking digging up cash. Like we get down to 23 or 22,000, I'm going to be buying a bunch of shit. I'll buy all the way down probably to 20,000. I know it sounds crazy because that's literally 20% down from here, but you know, that's where you make your money is on the dips. On the dip set. Yo, somebody hit Amazon. Somebody hit Amazon with massive options with 5 minutes left of the market. Yo, Amazon, Nvidia, AMD, PLTR, and MSTR. What you buy stock wise? I'm gonna go through. I got a whole shopping list. Where do I check options data? Black box stocks. I subscribe to it. So I'll tell you what they bought. I'll tell you right now. Let me see. Somebody bought. I'm seeing which ones got hammered. It could be the 116 240s. Holy shit. Micron soars after Q. Yo, Micron had great news. Yo, Micron had great news. That's actually pretty big for all of tech, by the way. Um, get some of this shit off my fucking browser. Oh man, is this thing just gonna rip? Dude, this thing's just freaking. Yo, that's wild. that might help out all of tech. We might be up. Dude, they might make this fucking drop back up tomorrow. Between that earnings and news and a good CPI, we might be back. We might be back up here tomorrow. I mean, most AI companies are down already, so that's it's not like they're riding high. A lot of the AI stocks are down over. A lot of the AI stocks are down over 50%. So that I'm not worried about. I wanted to bring the market up. Martin, what is that? Keysun, Yacht Invest, Piano Trader, Josh Kent. I'm just curious. How do you know they're all the same person? Just one. I'm serious question. How do you know they're all the same person? They do the same thing over and over. What are I just they sign in at the same time? Oh, multiple streams? Dude, none of them said anything. I have a way of doing. I have everyone. No, everyone submitted a form at one point, so I actually have everyone's IP address, and I'm just looking at it right now. There's quite a bit of same IP addresses going on now that I pulled up the data. You made me go in it and look. I'm looking at it right now. The problem is it's a fucking pain in the ass, guys. Like I have to make a jolt form again. You know what I'm saying? I gotta log into do my jolt form. Everyone's got to submit it, and then I just look at your IP addresses. I mean, are we fucking five? Where I have to baby? Martin's like, yeah. Martin's like, I'll put the fucking form out right now and start airing out everybody. I know, Martin. It's supposed to be fun, and now it's like more work. Yo, later, Mike. We can't have nice shit. Dude, that's crazy. They do all the streams the same. I mean, you would think one of them would say something if they're all on right now, because I just mentioned everyone's name and they didn't even say anything. Sometimes you got to hang back, Sean, and collect the info before you could, you know. It's just weird that I mentioned all their names and not one of them are in here right now. Bro, it seems like everyone. Bro. Guitar guy, I'm here. Bro, like, you know what I'm going to do? Check this out. I don't know if I can do this, though. Fuck. I should just pull out the top people who are talking in the chat for the day. Let me see if I can do this. Because obviously, if you have a fake account, you're not talking. But I feel bad for other people. Let me just see. Oh, man. You guys are just. Monet, it's freaking. Nothing's easy. Nothing is ever easy here. It's not easy. Like, I know Cash. I know there are people. That's the problem. Yo, listen. I try to do something fun to give back to everybody, and it's like, bro, I'm gonna have to start calling you motherfuckers on the phone. If you win, I need your phone number for me to call you. Like, is that where we're going? I want to hear your voice. I'm gonna have to hear your voice. Do it on Discord, Shades. Vocal verification. Fucking crazy. Bro, they have a whole call center. Oh, fuck, Sean. Get a Google form, and then they're gonna use like VPN. Was it? Yeah, VPNs. I did give Discord folks their own race, Matt. Was it last week? Just do numbers game. Man, just do 2 to 3 numbers games, and then do the Penguins through the day. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna have to do is a couple numbers games through the day. Yeah. Okay. Dude, I leave it up to you guys. Like, I don't know if you realize it, but from day one, you guys decide how this all goes. Like, if you want to do numbers game, we do numbers game. I always put it up to a vote. Like, even just now, do you want me to stream during the day? Um, for look, like YouTube won. So I'll be on tomorrow on YouTube. I let you guys decide. Numbers game sucks. Why does it suck, Ron? I'm driving, can't really do numbers. How to enter? You got to be on the stream during regular trading hours. P long. Horse game? What's the horse game? Yo, but you can text a sentence. Bro, you guys, now the number game hate comes out. Use the names from the people that played the numbers game. So I gotta I gotta copy it. I gotta copy everyone that submitted a number to then put it in a spreadsheet. Yo, Ali wants me to do like a fucking March Madness of the numbers game. Yeah, okay. Guess the next prop firm to come to futures. Use the point system. See, I could pull the top 50 people that talk today. Nah, man, Martin, I want you to call it out, man. Yo, Matt, you better fucking start talking like an auctioneer over there, brother. Do I hear 50, 50, 50, 55, 55, 14, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Yo. Yo. The day the duck race died will be remembered forever. I can open the duck race up right now for 30 seconds. You want me to open it up for 30 seconds and that's how we'll run? 1 minute? I think they leave the computer on, though, for the points. To be honest with you, I think they leave their computer on. Because they all have points, enough points every time to enter. Yo, I appreciate it, guitar guy. The problem with top 50. Well, listen. It's 4:23. We got to come up with a solution now. Do we want numbers game or do you want me to weed them out right now and we'll just run some ducks and some penguins? 30. I think I can only do. I can only do 1 minute. 1 minute to enter. All right, we're going to do a 1 minute to enter duck race. You guys got it? I can't do 30 seconds. How to enter, you're going to see it on the screens. Exclamation point. Ready, set. Oh, I forgot to hit the button. Yo, somebody's fucking signing in and out of 1,000 accounts right now. Oh, man, this fucking chat's going wild. Yo, Martin, they're running a script, brother. I'm just telling you that. They're running a script. Yeah. And I only say that because they didn't talk once in the chat when we were talking about them. And as soon as I turned this on, the script started putting them in. I see, as soon as I hit the button, I saw it. Yo, they're leaving the computer on, Mick. Leaving the computer on. Watch, I bet you we do the numbers game, they don't enter. They don't even smash the like button. Fuck them. If you can't hit the like button one time, all right, I'm going to sort this out. We're going to run the numbers game, and then we're going to sort this out tomorrow. Bro, you guys are a bunch of fucking savages. Dude, you guys are freaking savages over here. I have the answer to it, by the way. All right. Terrible. Terrible. People ruining it for everybody. Ready, set, go. Oh my God. Somebody was so fucking close right off rip. Yo, somebody was right there. Yo, it's 50 to 100. Oh shit, I missed the numbers. Yo, the answer's 54. Ooh, somebody just put it in, but I don't know if that's the first person. I freaking sneezed. Yo, I sneezed and I missed. I missed. Uh Paul DG8 was the first one. Whoever Paul D. Paul DG8. Yeah. I mean, I hope you're here. You just put the number in 30 seconds ago. Yo. Shoot me an email. I must have put it in second. Let me look. I'll tell you right now. It went Paul and then Boogie. Yeah, Boogie, you were second, dude. And then it was Caveman, BK, Ali, Yacht Invests, Chris, Monet, Ali, Mick, Piano Trader. I don't pick the random number. I hit the random.org picks the number. What a fucking blowjob operation. I don't know what you guys want, Ron. I'm fucking trying my best. Just do a G form? I got duck race fraud going on over here. I'm getting killed from all angles. Yo, I think of the number. I can't do that, bro. I can't pick the number. Numbers game is rigged. Well, what do you want me to do, Ron? I'm trying to come up with a solution. By tomorrow, I'll have a solution. I do it at random times. Yo, I just think of a number randomly. I mean, they can, Martin. They can, but we'll work on that another day. I need to get the IP address. So I don't know if Google's going to give me the IP address, but I got something else that gives me the IP address. Tomorrow, do giveaways all week together. It's better. Bots can definitely fake emails. Yo, people work so hard to manipulate it to get a free account only to blow it the next day. Please hire me for the giveaway. What do you want to do? Brutal Trader FX 92. What do you want to do? I will do the giveaway. How are you going to do it? Just let me know. I'll set up the Google thing. I have Jolt form also. You want me to hire you on a monthly salary to run a giveaway on the stream? Just so I'm laying this all out. Just so I'm laying this all out. I hire you a monthly salary for me to give away a free account. I mean, there's not enough LOLs in the chat right now. We need a little bit more. Yo, guys in the back, I'm going to need some LOLs in the chat. Brother, I like you, but we're not paying any salary for me to give away a free account. I'll figure something out tomorrow. Man. I freaking love the chat, though. I love the chat, man. Hey, man, I'm just trying to give back. I do these every day. Oh, ask him if he wants dental too. Bro, benefits. I know. I'm just messing around, man. We're having some fun after hours. That's all. Oh man. Dude. I accept payments in chocolate. I'll come up with an idea tonight. The only way I can come up with an idea is I sit back, smoke one, and think. Yo, Martin fucking destroys the chat, and he's like, yo, guys, peace out, enjoy. I gotta go. Yo, Martin's like, I created mass chaos. I'm just gonna leave. Oh, this is awesome. What time CPI? 8:30 in the morning. I'll stream it on YouTube. I'll be on YouTube live tomorrow, 8:30 in the morning for CPI. Man, you guys are the best. Panties on by 8:20. How do we know Martin's not a bot? Oh, man. Taiwan. I will check your email. Micron earnings. Ban Martin. Oh, man. All right, guys. I gotta freaking jump off this thing. I'm exhausted. This was a great end of the day. And that's pretty much it. Um, I appreciate everybody that came through. Yeah, yo, guitar guy. Smurf Trades, what up? Yo. All right. I'm jumping off this freaking turn into the biggest shit show ever. I gotta figure this out. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the stream for CPI. I'll try getting on around 8:20 tomorrow, 8:15, all right? I am gonna smash some accounts. All right. Hope you guys had some laughs. Hope you had a little fun. Hope you made some money. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, peace.